Hello, it's Momo here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make the shorts for the matching two-piece lounge set. I will link the tutorial for the top in the description box below. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Let's get started. Use a pair of roomy shorts as a base. The sides should curve and end on the front of the leg. If you don't have shorts like these, use a regular pair and mark where you want the curve to sit. Trace out the front. Trace the back like normal, following these dotted lines. Measure the part of the crotch that is folded under, as well as the part that wraps over to the front. Add all of these together to create the back pattern. Cut 2 pieces for the front and 2 for the back. Pair the front with the back and sew the inseam. If you're sewing along, skip and bind the hem first. Then come back and put the pieces together. It's better to sew in this order because the hemline curves in. Sew down the side only to where the curve starts. Do not sew past this point. For perspective, this is the bottom of the shorts. With right sides together, insert one leg into the other. Match up the inseam inside. Sew along the entire crotch. Cut a waistband that is twice the width of the elastic. Sew the ends together. Fold in half and attach to the shorts. Sew around, but leave an opening for the elastic. I'm stretching my waistband a little here because one of the pieces is actually shorter, but since the fabric is super stretchy, this won't be noticeable. Thread the elastic through the waistband. Sew the ends of the elastic together. Open up the seam and sew down each side with a zigzag stitch. This will help to reduce bulging inside the waistband. Sew the opening closed. Give the waistband a few tugs to distribute the elastic evenly. To keep the elastic from shifting around and turning in on itself, top stitch on top of the existing seam that connects the ends of the waistband together. I like to do this on the front, back, and sides even when there isn't a seam. The top stitch will blend right into the folds created by the elastic. It's barely noticeable. I tried adding a cuff but didn't like how the fabric puckered at all, so I'm going to undo part of the sides in order to access the entire hemline and replace the cuff. I'm using a 1/4 inch double folded bias tape. The top fold is slightly shorter than the bottom. With right sides together, line the shorter fold against the edge of the shorts. Open up the tape and sew along the first folded line. Try not to stretch the shorts. Remove any extra fabric to reduce bulging inside the bias tape. Fold the bias tape up, and then once and twice on itself onto the wrong side of the short. Sew inside the first folded line. Make sure to smooth out the fabric and catch both sides of the bias tape with the thread. The raw edge should now be encased in the bias tape. close the side seam, and finish all raw edges. I hope you enjoyed this two-piece set. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the blog for more details and behind the scenes on this project. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!